You have to open to close this. You have to go to the Google and type the Postman download. Okay, you can go to the Google and you will be downloading Postman download. Type it for Mac or Windows, whatever version you use. So you see the postman.com download. So you'll be downloading Mac, Windows, or any operating system you use, you'll be downloading for them. Got it? Once you download, you need to install it. You see this? Simple. Once you install, you will be actually opening it. So you can minimize this. Open your Postman, please. And you can actually log out, please. Log out from your Postman, log out. Just right after the upgrade. Right after, sorry, yes. Yep, click it, log out. Sign out. I will tell you, close it, please, and reopen it. So when you install the Postman, the first time, you will open the Postman. So from your desktop, you open the Postman. So now know the Postman. Postman is a API, RESTful API testing tools or the client tools. If you want me to tell you about the Postman, Postman is also built based on the Marne stack. You see this? Postman is based on the Marne stack. Postman database, actually AWS cloud. So when you open an account in the Postman, your information is stored on the AWS. So what is the benefits? All of the API you create, anywhere you log in, all the APIs actually running with you. Means you get it. So anyway, you can log in the Postman. So you have to create your login, or you can sign in with the Google. Look at the two authentication, OAuth 2.0, right? You can Google it, or you can create a new account. Or you can do not need to create an account. You just simply use the local version. Local version means only this computer store your API request. No other computer will do it. So whatever you prefer, you can log in with Google, sign up with Google, or you can actually, Google is best, so you can actually log in any computer, you will get it. Okay, go ahead, sign in with Google, sign up with Google, yeah. So I'm actually showing the baby steps. None of the steps are missing. So do not rush or the crush with the workshop video. It's not good. Go slowly, learn slowly, okay? So you see, now everything is clear, right? So now the Postman is an interface. It has the various functionality it provides. But we're not going to sell the Postman in our project. We will be implementing the Postman the way we learned the Agile Scrum, the project management. Epic, feature, user story, positive testing, negative testing. That's all we covered so far, right? Epic, feature, user story, positive testing, negative testing. We'll be doing the same thing. So we are going to create a workspace, which is, we are going to say buyer portal. Go ahead, create a workspace. Create workspace, click, create a workspace, and give the buyer portal. You see how I'm not giving any random name. I'm not selling the Postman. I'm implementing my project the way it should be. The meaningful name has to be there. You can save, you can type all the information, all the buyer portal API information will be stored here. See, simple English. All the buyer portal APIs information will be stored here. See, looking good. So now there is 5 things here: personal, private, public, partner. So what is all of this? Of course, you are working in a development team, right? But initially you are doing yourself. So that has to be personal. The moment you want to share with somebody else, that will be the team. The moment you want to expose to whole world, like you are testing the weather API, right? Zip code API, Google Map API, you tested something. If something is publicable, because in TS4 there is so many public API too, that API you can share with everybody else. That's the meaning. So now we are selecting personal, and create workspace. So how to create the workspace is done. We stop this.